Movies are the art of time and witnesses of history. But as time goes by, those precious images gradually fade and become damaged. Today, we will take you into a miracle, restoring Chaplin's old films with UniFab technology. Let us witness how Chaplin's laughter is revived by the magic of modern technology. Okay, let's get started. The software is very easy to operate and only requires 3 steps to complete the enhancement. Step 1. Select the Upscaler function and import the video. Step 2. Make simple adjustments to the video parameters. You can also enter settings for advanced settings. Here we provide the video customization function you can choose freely. Finally, export the video. Okay, let's enjoy the final restored video. You can see that the enhanced video is very clear. Let's enjoy the performance of Comedy Master Chaplin. It's funny, right? If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.